Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Kayla LaFrance. The crew aboard the space station spent the week working hard on science payloads after receiving a special call. Last Friday, the crew held a conference call with the Vice President of the United States, Kamala Harris. The Vice President, who was on hand at Johnson Space Center last week to chair the National Space Council meeting, dropped by Mission Control to speak with NASA astronauts Kjell Lindgren, Bob Hines, and Jessica Watkins.
Tell us what you are learning on the space station that is helping us be smarter around how we take care of Earth.
Yes, we are honored and privileged to be able to use the International Space Station as a test bed and as a laboratory to be able to learn lessons that we can apply to Earth. So things like learning how to grow plants without soil and being able to use that back on Earth to help with food security. Learning about how immune cells age while we're up here and thinking about how we can help with immune cell aging back on Earth. There are so many different aspects of what we do up here that can be applied to making Earth a better place.
European Space Agency astronaut Samantha Cristoforetti kicked off the foams and emulsions investigation aboard the orbiting laboratory this week. If you've used shampoos or salad dressings, you've encountered foams and emulsions. Aside from making up many household items, these droplets and bubbles suspended in liquids, foams, and emulsions are also important to processes that remove pollutants from the environment. Microgravity eliminates factors that complicate research into foams and emulsions on Earth. What we learned could contribute to more effective and efficient use of these bubbly and non-mixable liquids. And finally, we take you to the coldest known spot in the universe. The Cold Atom Laboratory is a facility on the International Space Station that allows researchers to dive into amazing atomic and quantum discoveries by producing clouds of atoms a fraction of a degree above absolute zero. This is only possible due to space's microgravity environment. Launched in May of 2018, the payload has already shown revolutionary breakthroughs for quantum research in its 4 years of operating on the Space Laboratory. You can learn more about this one-of-a-kind research on the latest edition of Houston We Have a Podcast. Dr. Jason Williams from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, and Dr. Nathan Lundblad, a professor of physics at Bates College in Lewiston, Maine, will take you on a journey to the subatomic. You can get the latest news about the Cold Atom Lab and other research and science happenings on the ISS by following @ISS_research on Twitter. That's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.